Hi there. Have you ever thought of starting your online teaching career? But you must be wondering where to start? Join the LearnMet.com community. LearnMet is a new and fast-growing hub for thousands of students and teachers all over the world. At LearnMet, you can access all the latest online tools you need to succeed while teaching online. These are very simple but powerful tools and works on almost all devices. And you pay nothing to join this community and to start teaching. LearnMet is very smart. It learns about your teaching interests and sends you opportunities right in your inbox to save you time and keep you focused. You can track all your earnings, and those are sent directly to your bank account, no matter where you are on this planet. So what are you waiting for? Save time and money to kickstart your online teaching career today and be part of the movement of building the most dynamic global knowledge network ever. Just click on the link below or log on to www.learnmet.com to create your free account.